Hello everyone, welcome back to RBG's Art Corner, and today I'm gonna show you how to make macaroon with air-dried clay. So this is the air-dried clay I'm gonna use, just smooth and light air-dried clay. Now I'm gonna add a bit of color into this one. I'm using green to mix. Okay, it's getting darker now. So you want to make a ball, and then you're gonna need a mica press to divide it into two. This is the mica press I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna make like a sausage, a very long sausage, and then I'm gonna cut it in half, right in the middle. Okay. Okay, we're gonna need two circles. You can like roll with your hands, and if you like, you can use the mica press to make a ball, like a rounded ball. Okay, this is how you're gonna make the crust of the macaroon. So you got two rounded balls. Use the mica press, two hands. Say 1, 2, 3, press. Okay, perfect. The other two, 1, 2, 3. So don't worry if you have the uneven part of crusts. So this one is kind of bigger. This is gonna be the bottom or the top. To make the crust, I'm gonna put it on the makeup press using this tool. Okay. So I'm gonna using this side. Use the rounded part. Press it down, just randomly, and then you can put it this way. Then you can use the blade, just randomly poke it, make the crust look more realistic, and use the point part to gently press at random place. And there we go, we have the first of our crust. We're gonna do the same with the other one. Okay. Okay, we are both finished with our crust. Gently take that out. Got two part crust. Now we're gonna make the filling. Using the white clay and just a bit of the mint color, give it just a quick mix. So do the same with other crust. Make a circle, and then gently press it down all the way flat. Now to put our filling in the crust. Okay, go easy. Okay, with our final touch, gently press it one more time. There we go, we got a normal macaroons. If you cannot find the tools, I recommend a tweezer like this one with a pointy head. So you can use it like this. To make the crust look more realistic. There we go, our first macaroons. And to make it some decorate, I would recommend using white clay to make the cream on top. So put it aside. This is the amount of cream we're going to use. So roll it down. Okay. Make it together. Twist gently. Then put it on top of our macaroon. There we go. So put it on a plate. And for me, and for my macaroon, I'm gonna use a bit of green clay to make the leaves. So that's it. I'm gonna using a tweezer. Right. Okay, and let's put it on top of our macarons. There we go. My first green macaroon. Thank you for watching.